Hi, welcome to Blossom Your Creativity. My name is Debbie, and I'm so glad you're joining me today. I am participating in a challenge called Recreation Inspiration. I'll explain more about the challenge coming up. So let's see what I created. So my inspiration for DIY number one is the channel called Destiny Kids Crafts, and she made a love you to pieces sign, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I took this frame from the Dollar Tree. I also got those puzzle pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the pieces using these different colors that you see here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my frame apart and work on the outside frame because I don't want the black to show because there will be some empty spaces once I put the puzzle pieces together. So just want to paint it white so that your eye doesn't go to the black. Now that the frame is complete, now I painted a couple of coats of white Adirondack chalk paint to the puzzle pieces because unfortunately when I purchased them they were black and red, so I needed to cover those colors up. So I have all of my different colored paints on my canvas there, and I'm going to go ahead and mix the red, true red, with the white Adirondack, and that will give me this perfect pink that I'm looking for. So I'm showing you the different colors there, and I'm gonna go ahead and start painting each piece. I just want to see what it looks like on the puzzle pieces to get an idea. And you'll see that there's one that I'm just not happy with. So I decided to omit that really light one, and I'm going to use this fruit punch color. I just feel like that was a better color variation. I needed 4 different colors, and I believe that these 4 are the perfect colors to use. So I'm going to also put some ribbon along the side of the frame. I was showing you that I paid only $1 for that ribbon. I think I got it from Michael's on a clearance. So I always love going to see what kind of ribbons I can get at a discount. And it might be a while before I need to use it, but hey, it works out. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue putting that ribbon all the way around, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now I'm ready to place my puzzle pieces, and I'm just trying to find the proper placement so that the colors are not, matching right next to each other, and that I'm trying to give it the illusion that the puzzles may fit when actually most of them don't, but I'm still trying to do that. And you'll see as I go through and get the complete frame covered. I did want to take a moment just to say thank you to all of my returning subscribers. And if you're not already subscribing, I'm hoping that you like what I do and that you'll consider subscribing so you can come back and see all the other crafts and DIYs that I have in store for you. So if you do like what I do, give me a big thumbs up. That helps me to grow and tell YouTube that I should be looked at more often. Okay, now that I have all my puzzle pieces on there, now I'm going to work on the inside of the frame. And I'm taking this paper from this little scrapbook or scrap paper. I don't know. It's a book I got from Hobby Lobby. Anyways, I thought the striped color would be perfect for what I want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead with some tacky glue and attach it to the piece that came with the frame. And then I'm going to go ahead and stencil a cute little saying. Okay, so this stencil says love you to the moon and back, but that's not what I want to say. So I took 3 more puzzle pieces and painted them, and now I'm going to add my little word that was missing. And if you can see what I'm doing here, I have these cute little stamps that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's gonna say pieces. So the whole thing is gonna say love you to pieces. Now, because when I put the stamps on, I got a little bit more ink on there than I wanted, so I'm just going over with a little bit of that paint just to try and hide some of that imperfection. Now I'm just going to hot glue that to the paper, and then I decided to put a little bit of glitter. You know, glitter makes everything nice. So you'll see that I do that in this. Oh, I'm attaching the paper with the tacky glue, and then I'll put my glitter. Oh, I almost forgot I added a bow. I had to dress the top up a little bit, looked a little plain, and before I decide to put the bow, I've got to do the glitter. So that's what I'm doing now. A little bit of Mod Podge, and then I'll put some glitter. You'll see that I take the glass and the sign out. There you go, because I didn't want to get glitter in between the glass and the frame. So I took it all apart, put the glitter on, and then I put everything back together. So I'm adding the bow with one of those little heart stickers, and then this will be the end. And I think it turned out super cute. It's not exactly how the inspiration was, but it is very similar. I hope you guys like it. Now let's talk about the challenge. Our host is Amanda with 6 kids and a glue gun, and the guest host today is Danny from Dee Dee's Art Workshop. Now both of these ladies are excellent crafters, so you must go and check out their channels. And so the collaboration or the challenge is you see something that another creator did, and that it inspired you to create this similar item. It's not exact, but it's similar because you put your own spin on it. So let's see what DIY number 2 and who inspired me. So Miss Joanne Brandy, I just love her. She is the sweetest lady ever, and she made the cutest little I guess, I don't know, it's like a little ornament kind of thing, but she put it with a gift. I didn't put it with a gift. I just made it all by myself. So, so I'm using a styrofoam round from the Dollar Tree, and I used that cookie cutter, and I created a heart out of it. And so I am taking those same colors that I used in the previous DIY, and I'm simply just painting the heart. And now one of the things that I learned from Joanne is when you're painting styrofoam, just add a little bit of water to your brush and it will extend your paint. All right, so now that my heart is fully dry, now I'm going to use some spackle, and this is Fast and Final lightweight spackle, and I added a little bit of white acrylic paint, and that's going to make it a little bit loose, so it'll be more like frosting. And instead of using a pastry bag, I just simply use a sandwich bag because I don't want to waste a pastry bag just for this little bit of faux whipped topping that I'm going to use. And I keep it in that airtight container, and I've had that for, I don't know, about a month, and it's perfect. It doesn't dry out or anything. Then I added a skewer stick, and now I'm just adding some Mod Podge because I want to go ahead and glitter up my stuff. You know, I love using glitter. So I'm using this pink glitter that I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't know, maybe, yeah, Hobby Lobby or Walmart, either one of those. I don't remember exactly. But anyways, I'm just putting some glitter on the heart, and then I need to let it dry. And then I am going to show you what I'm going to put in the middle. I also made this. This is a little red heart, and I made it from Model Magic, and you can get that from, I actually got that from Dollar General. They have those little packages, but somebody said that Dollar Tree is now selling them. Anyways, I'm just showing you that you want to condition that clay, get it like taffy, and then you just simply roll it, and then I use that little heart cookie cutter. So now I want to add a little saying to the heart because I thought it was a little plain. So I'm just using this little stencil that I have, and I'm going to use the white acrylic paint to add a little saying, and it's just basically gonna say love you. And here I'm just showing you that I got a little bit of extra white paint on there. So just with a little wet cloth, I am just wiping that off. If you do it right away, it'll come off, no problem. Now I'm going to put the U, and then I'm going to add some little embellishment around the edge. Now, because this is clay and there's already glitter on there, I'm going to go ahead and attach it with some super glue, and that will hold that little heart onto the big heart. So now I'm just adding my frosting all the way around, and unfortunately this tip was not what I thought it was going to come out like. I wasn't able to make like individual strokes. I had to just make one long line. Now I'm just adding some little sprinkles that I got from Etsy, and it's called Playco 3. And it's just different little sprinkles. And I'm just adding it all the way around just to give it some, nice look. And then I'll add, of course, you guess it, it is glitter. So another round of glitter. This time it's going to be the clear glitter. And then I just take it off, and now I need to add my stick over, or my straw over my skewer, and I decided to go with the red hearts. Even though most of this was pink, I still thought that the red hearts was better than the pink circles. So I'm just hot gluing that to the skewer, and then I'm just going to add this pretty little sparkle tool. I had that on my tree around Easter time, and so I actually saved those little pieces, and it came in handy because it was perfect for this little project. Now it needs a little bow, and I had this little bow that I had painted earlier in the week for another craft, and I have a little another little embellishment. It came from Etsy. I don't remember if that was Play Code 3 or not, but I'm adding that to the bow, and I thought that was so cute. And then I'm just cutting down the tails, and I think it's perfect. I hope you guys like what I did, and it's not exactly as Joanne's, but I still love it. Thank you so much for coming by to see my inspiration recreation, and I hope that I can inspire you as I've been inspired by my two people that I had showcased in this video. I have put their channel links in my description box, as well as the host and the guest host. Again, thank you so much for stopping by and seeing what I created, and I hope to see you back again soon. And remember, if you're not already subscribing, please consider. I'd love to have you part of my YouTube family. I want to say thank you again, and please be safe and stay crafty. Bye-bye, friends.